What is the best online arbitrage sourcing software to use right now? What software can you use to find tens of leads daily? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the software that I've been using for a little bit close to a year that I've almost never talked about on this channel and that nobody ever talked about on YouTube, because I am the one who actually developed it and it is not released yet. Okay, so by the way, I am going to give out a free lifetime license to somebody that joined the wait list before the early access. Okay, because the early access is going to happen soon. We are going to start the early access soon. We are finishing on a few details before we make the early access public, but like join the wait list to receive notification whenever the email whenever the tool becomes available, because I will be giving away a free lifetime license for the tool. All right, so I think it was yesterday, right? Yesterday I received a comment from Profitable Business 8559, okay, that said, hey, what's the best software to use currently? And it was on my video on tactical arbitrage versus source model. All right, so as I said, this software I've been using, and I'm going to explain to you guys how it works a little bit. Let me plug my mouse because it is about the battery is about to die. But like, this is not the only software that I've been using. Okay, it will be lying, but this is the software that I've been using since last year. Okay, it's been close to a year that I started development, that I've been using it personally, and this is the software this is the place where I get most of my leads, and I'm going to explain to you guys how it works and why it is a must-have into the software, into your software stack for Amazon FBA, for online arbitrage, and even wholesale. All right. If you do not know me, by the way, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon, and today I'm going to introduce my tool. Okay, and it's going to be a short introduction, but the tool that I've been using, that is called Arbitrage Stalker. Okay, once again, if you want notification when the early access drop, link in the description. So as I said, yeah, so we received this comment from Profitable Business. Shout out to you. But this is the tool, okay? And so I'm going to explain to you what the tool is. So it's a tool where you can actually track storefront, okay? Because you know that doing storefront stalking is actually super time consuming, and it's actually the way most people actually currently do storefront stalking is pretty dumb, because you go over the same storefronts again and again and again. You see the same leads again and again and again, and so you see a lot of leads that have tanked, a lot of leads that were purchased a long time ago that never sold. You see a lot of bad leads, and you need to go through these bad leads over and over again. You're wasting a lot of time, because if you want to be successful doing online arbitrage, you need to do a lot of storefront stalking, but you need to save a list of storefronts that are good storefront that you know are doing online arbitrage. You can go back to those storefronts over and over again. So instead of going back to those storefronts over and over again to find new leads and to find potential replans, you can use this tool. And people that were on the live calls have seen this tool already, but you can use this tool, and this is not the only place, but this will send you notifications, okay, on Discord, right? So this is, by the way, this is a demo account, okay, so do not go and look for those products. It's just a demo account that I use to show you guys. Same thing with those leads that you're gonna see, but pretty much how it works is it is going to send you notification, and these are all, so let me scroll down a little bit. It is going to send you notifications with products that were just added to those storefronts, right? And it is going to give you a keeper chart with it. All right, so whenever a new product is added to a storefront, you are going to receive a notification, okay, on your Discord server, and you are going to be able to filter the products right there on the web interface, okay, which is right here, okay, with a keeper graph, an interactive keeper graph, where you can actually see the sales rank, all that stuff, okay, remove it, add it. And so this is a way more efficient. And of course, the products that are new is not the only thing that it tracks. You can see there's multiple filters, okay, so you have products that just went out of stock and products that were replenished. So there's like, it's kind of a replen catcher. You can catch replens that way. All right, so yeah, same thing with Discord. It will send you notification on Discord for new products, for products that are potential replans. It's a new server that I just set up, so there's no potential replan yet, and products that went out of stock, okay? So you know, it's a way better way to do storefront stalking. As I said, there's a lot of things that are wrong with storefront, not that are wrong, but that are inefficient with storefront stalking. And my mission with this tool is to make storefront stalking as straightforward as possible, okay? Because, you know, as I said, you're gonna spend a lot of time looking at leads on storefront that you've already looked at is taking a lot of time. Instead of doing this, you can be notified whenever a new lead is actually added to that tool. Okay, and so to that storefront, I'm sorry, the tool is going to scan those storefronts every 4 hours with the plan that we're going to release for the early access. Okay, this is going to be $39.99 a month, and you can track for the storefront. I believe this is the offer. It's going to be $39 a month for the storefront that you can track, and it is way cheaper, by the way, than what the competition offers. There's like 2 tools that are doing the same thing but for more money, and that do not have all the features that we have, okay, such as the replan catcher and all that stuff. Tools like this cost over $180, $190. If you get the early access offer, this is going to be $39.99 a month. Okay, so yeah, like it's a no-brainer in my opinion. For that money, you do not even, I think for that money with other tools you get 10 storefronts, you would get 40 with our tool. Okay, so this is, as I said, this is the best way to, and by the way, this is the strategy that I use. This is one of the ways where I find the most leads, where I actually found the most leads pretty much in the last year. Okay, so because I developed this tool actually for me at the beginning, then I started extending access to, some friends, of course, then to some people in my coaching groups. People in my coaching groups have actually access to this tool for free right now. Okay, and so if you join the coaching group, that starts in April 21st, you will get free access as well. It will be the last group that will have free access. But that's the way the tool works, okay? And so it's making storefront stalking way easier. It's help you catch replans, and we are going to add way more features that goes beyond storefront stalking, and I'm not going to talk about them just yet, but we are working on adding features that are going to be helping you with storefront stalking a lot, and beyond, not with storefront stalking, actually beyond storefront stalking, with other stuff that you need to do with your online arbitrage business. But this is a secret and I'm not going to talk about it, but a lot of those features will be added to the early access plan, even when they are added later. The early access plan is the best value that you will get for the tool ever, and it's just going to be available while it is in early access, okay? Because this tool is going to be huge, okay? There's no better way to do storefront stalking, and it's going to send you, so on this server, I just added 3 storefronts, okay? 3 storefronts to send me new products. And so you see, I received leads. These were sent this morning. Yeah, these were sent this morning. I actually added those 2 storefronts, okay? And so these were sent this morning, okay? That's the best way to do storefront stalking, okay? It's going to send you leads daily that you can check out, that you can get your VAs to check. And so you're going to find a few leads daily with minimum effort this way, okay? Every morning, you just log into your Discord server, you check your leads, you're going to find some leads. This is the way the tools work, okay? We'll talk more about the tool in a future video whenever the tool is ready to release, but the early access is coming pretty soon, okay? So I would join that wait list if you want to actually get, if you want a chance to win a lifetime access for free for this tool. So yeah, hopefully this video taught you one thing or two. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.